This may be the best built fifth wheel on the market today, especially for full-time RVers. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is the Mobile Suites 40KSSB. It's one of the most luxurious and best built fifth wheel on the market today, especially if you want to be a full-timer. Now, there's a lot of background noise, so I'm going to go straight into the fifth wheel and start. We're not going to do the exterior on this one. Now, I have a generator running to charge the batteries. This is on consignment. There's a lot of cleaning supplies around because my guys are cleaning it up. But I decided, you know what? I'm too excited. I love this brand. Now, if this is the first time you have seen one of my walkthroughs, I take about 8 to 10 minutes to walk through the entire fifth wheel and talk about it without any sound effects, without any special effects or weird editing, okay? So here we go. Coming inside, you have a Whirlpool microwave, induction cooktop, dishwasher, and even though it is a two-piece sink, I like the fact that this side is really wide, so that way you can fit a big pot in there. Remember, I like, tortilla soup, chili, pozole, and you need big pots and pans to be able to cook that stuff. So this sink is very workable, even though it is two-piece. Okay, I like the covers. I love the counter space. This, to me, is one of the better floor plans with a big kitchen. You got plenty of island space. See what I mean? You got plenty of cook space on both sides because there isn't a sink here. So to me, it's a gourmet type of kitchen for an RV, not for necessarily a house. Okay? Let me know what you think in the comments section. How do you like this? Because I really think there's a lot of storage. The cabinets are really high quality. They open and close really nicely. My goodness. Oh, you know what? This is a convection microwave. Look at that. So you got a convection microwave and induction cooktop. That's awesome. So no propane inside the kitchen. That's awesome. Lots of drawers. Again, it is used. I believe it's a 2016. The person that put on consignment wants to get $70,000 out of it. Now, if you understand, brand new ones go for around double that amount, if not more, depending on what you get. It's dirty still, so we still got to clean it, but not bad. Not bad at all. They even got electrical outlets here on the island. Oop, we've got to turn that on. Ooh, all the aesthetics. And again, I apologize, it is dirty. Cookie cutter floor plan as far as rear living, but that's fine by me, especially with that kitchen. Big pantry area. Good Lord, look at all this. You even have electrical outlets inside the cabinets. Nice deep drawers. They glide really nicely. Even though it's like 8 years old, everything moves in and out really nicely. High quality. This is the reason why these sell between $150,000 and $250,000 brand new. There's a reason. This is on the same level as redwood. This is on the same level as riverstone. A lot of your higher end stuff. I mean, just look at how smooth everything opens. Ooh, ah. Now, that's a little sarcasm at the same time. It's like, I don't get to get one of these very often. So to be able to film it is a pleasure. This was all added aftermarket. Now, the TV goes up and down electrically using the battery. And then you have your fold-out couch for if you need to sleep extra people. cabinets above. Literally mobile, so I'm going to give you guys an example. So mobile suites for these customers that consigned it, even 8 years later, still answer the phone and help them with parts orders, help them find dealerships and service centers. The sale does not stop after the first year with mobile suites. Okay, now the downside to every RV manufacturer is they all use the same junky furniture. And I call it junky because Thomas Paine furniture sucks. It sucks everywhere, but it's very accessible, it's lighter weight, and it fits within the specs that the RV manufacturers need for their frames. Now, yes, this is built on a Lippert frame, but Lippert frame on this is very different than Grand Design. You have to understand something, folks. Lippert controls the majority of your frames, okay? But each manufacturer orders a different frame from the factory. And the frame they use is thicker steel, better welds, because they know at the end of the day what you're going to do with this thing. That's why the words frame failure or frame flex do not happen that often in mobile suites. Now, through my research so far, I've only had one person with a 2014 that says that they had frame failure. That's it. That's the only person so far. Now, I could be wrong. I could have missed somebody. If you have frame failure on a mobile suites, let me know in the comments section. I don't really like the desk/dining room area, but that's just me. Oh, look at this. I missed something. Trash can and a drawer. Okay. Residential refrigerator. Very nice, very nice. Not something that was very common back in the day. Okay. All your stuff. More stuff, including breaker boxes, fuse panel. And then we walk in here, and you got your linen closet. Sorry about my shakiness today. My blood sugar's a little weird. By the way, I'm going to also apologize. My laptop broke. It took a crap on me. So, that being said, the editing of this video will not have any music or very good sound, so I apologize about that. When I can afford to get a new laptop, I will. Right now, I can't. A laptop's just out of the budget. I mean, I need to make... It would take me about another year to get a laptop based on the money I make from ad revenue. So I'm just going to use my phone to edit the videos until I can afford to get another laptop. Very nice big shower. Beautiful. And we have enough chicken wing space around the toilet. Still feel a little bit like a sardine can. Need some WD-40 on that. That's okay. Got a combo washer dryer. Pretty cool. Oh, I'm sorry. It's separate washer dryer. That looked like a combo. Well, that's cool. You got your little laundry room. Okay, they took the mattress. That's fine. Everybody normally in a used, normally folks in a used fifth wheel or travel trailer motorhome, they usually replace the mattress themselves. You got cabinets above the bed. It has a safe, big closet. Now, the closet's a little bit bigger or feels a little bit bigger just because of where the washer dryer is located. And then you got your TV and all your drawers. I'm not going to open all that stuff. But what I will say is the entire time that you have been listening to this video, we've had the generator running and both air conditioners. So imagine that. That's how well insulated these mobile suites units are, how well built they are. They're expensive, but they're really well put together. Now, don't forget about the merchandise store. If you'd like to support the channel financially, you can also do super thanks. You can donate money through Venmo, however you'd like to do it, if you'd like to do it. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments section, or you can contact me on social media. In the description box below, you got all my contact information. And in the top right-hand corner of this video, I have another luxury type of fifth wheel that's at the same level as the Mobile Suites, but I think you're really going to enjoy the lighter interior.